News that's coming in at the moment. Delhi has now banned the sale of cough syrup, which is Coldriff. Drug dealers have been ordered to stop the sale of Coldriff. Delhi government has given out an appeal. They have sent out a public appeal. They are asking people not to use Coldriff, which is a cough syrup. My colleague Milan is with me on the story. Milan, we are understanding the Delhi government has banned the sale of Coldriff syrup. Dealers have been asked to stop the sale of Coldriff across the national capital.
Well, Aishwarya, this is in line with what states have been doing as regards to Coldriff ever since it was known that this particular manufacturer, Shrisen Pharmaceuticals, was using cheap level diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol in their cough syrup as solvent, and which happened to be in large quantities of more than 46 to 47%, which has led to the death of children in Madhya Pradesh. And certainly all the states there were told by the central drug regulator to conduct checks and inquiries in their states, and inspections have found that Coldriff is manufacturing in Tamil Nadu but exporting to many states in the country. So in that order, Delhi has also come forward and banned Coldriff cough syrups sale and distribution, having said that the central government has already put a stop production order on Shrisen Pharmaceuticals and Coldriff cough syrup. So they will no longer be producing this cough syrup. Their license has been told to Tamil Nadu FDA to be cancelled permanently. Right. Earlier, there was a show cause notice that was issued to Tamil Nadu, from Tamil Nadu to the pharmaceutical company. But now, Delhi also another state that bans the killer cough syrup that's taken lives of as many as more than 20 children in Madhya Pradesh.
Thank you, Milan, giving us all those details. It's the Delhi government that has now banned the sale of Coldriff cough syrup. They are asking people not to consume this particular cough syrup.